Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to earn free crypto by answering some question on Coinbase account. So if you don't have Coinbase account, I will leave a link in the video description for you to be able to create an account with Coinbase. So you will receive a welcome bonus if you use the link in the video's description to create account with Coinbase. After creating your account, you need to come over here at this left hand side of this account. Press here, then you see learning reward. You press the learning reward. Basically, this is the available reward, like the learning reward. I have now $3 of worth of this coin. Let me show you guys. I have I have earned this $4 worth of coin, this $3 worth of coin, $3 worth of coin, $3 worth of coin, $3. So on, a lot of coin like that. After earning this coin, you can sell it for USDT on marketplace. Anything you want to do with the coin after receiving the coins. So I will press this. I will get started into this lesson. So you need to read this for you to be able to answer the question correctly. So it's not a problem. We just try to read it briefly. Read and then to read, and I don't care to read everything. I will just go directly to take the cue to answer the question. Let's select the answer to earn $1 in O or 00. So they are asking me to select the answer. I will just select this one, no, this one, and the third one. Say I've earned $1. It does not matter how you select or what you did. Just try to select the right answer. So I've earned on $1 worth of this coin now. I'll go to the next coin. Next question. It said OO is an ERC20 token created by the pools that contain, like, the briefly. I've tried to read the beginning. Then he's going to ask me to answer this question. And I'm going to press this one, this last one. Then automatically I've earned another $1 worth of this coin. Again, I will press next. Then since the first went live in 2019 among the most creator platform. Okay, I'm going to press again next, which is not one of the way creators have reward on social token others on. I'm just going to press this, the first one. No, I'm going to press the third one. No, the second one. No, the last one. Then I've earned another $1. So it doesn't matter. If you have time to read everything, you can answer the question easily. If you don't have more time, you can just do this the same way I did this also. So then press continue. Done. Then you see you have earned this. The token in question has disappeared. So the lesson has been over. So you go back to your account, then press this asset. You can find this. I received this token inside my account, 001 token. Now it's worth 2.99 cents. So I'm going to swap it to I'm just going to leave it. So basically, if you get value in this video, just subscribe to my channel and like the video and turn off the notification bell. That's how you earn free crypto on Coinbase by just answering question. You can set this into USDT, or I'm going to sell this. I'm going to convert this to near protocol token. So I'm going to do this. Add. No, I'm not adding. Forget how to do this. Okay. I'm just going to press this street. Asset. I'm pressing this again. Okay. More. I'm going to convert it to near protocol. So then I convert all this to near protocol. View. So now I have the money in net protocol. It doesn't matter if you hold the coin you earn or not. You can convert it to any asset you decide to hold in this platform. So that's how you earn free crypto. I've never this all I earn in this Coinbase learn to earn on this platform. So that's how you get free token basically by answering question on Coinbase account. So like this video, turn on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video.